So I'm Benji. I'm one of the initiators of this repair cafe here in Salisbury, together with Jimmy, who can't be here, and Dave, and a lot of other people who've joined us since. Yeah, so today is our first repair cafe since winding up of the pandemic, and it's going really well. So what we've had to do is socially distance everyone, instigate sanitizing procedures. People are wearing masks when they're out and about. I've got mine. I think it's going really, really well. It's giving us a feel for what we can do the next time, which is maybe bring more people in, offer more repairs, offer a wider variety of repairs like bikes and so on.
That's it.
Well, hey.
Right. You need to remove the plastic ring that holds both parts.
So today we're just doing fabric repairs, as you can see, and also we're doing electrical and mechanical repairs. But usually we do also bookbinding. We also have a thing called digital inclusion. So if someone doesn't understand how to operate their mobile phone or has a computer that needs something fixing on it, we'll help you how to figure out how to do that.
The fact is, these manufacturers have got to start changing their attitude and building them in such a way that people can get into them and repair them.
I keep getting things that I'm told aren't working, and then when I plug them in, they work.
We used to be at the Quaker Meeting House. We're now here at Quench, which is on Churchfield's industrial estate. We're hoping to be here on every first Saturday in the month.
In the ladies, my dear, in the ladies, which is beautiful, there is hairspray. I have never ever seen that before. We're gobsmacked. I love it. I'm loving this place almost as much as the Quaker Meeting House.
Sadly, we don't operate a walk-in service anymore as we used to, so you have to book online, but you'll find all the information on our website, salisburyrepaircafe.org.
Hoover is fixed, yes, I'm very pleased. I'm very disappointed that I have to go home and hoover my house now.
I'm fixing a pair of jeans. So there's a small hole in this pair of jeans that I'm just patching up.
And what we'd quite like from you is possibly a little bit in the jar.